children, hope you are fit and fine. Let's start our English class with the mathematical concept. Can you tell me how many sides a square or a rectangle has? Could you guess? 4 sides. Very good. And now let's move towards EVS. Could you name the 4 directions? North, East, South and West. So we have 4 directions. And children, do you remember which chapter you have just read? The name of the chapter is The 4 Dolls. You must be wondering that everything that I am discussing has one thing common, and that is 4. So children, today we are going to discuss kinds of sentences, and these kinds of sentences are also 4 in number. That means there are 4 kinds of sentences. Easy to remember now? I know that. Let's move ahead. You know, sentence is a group of words that convey some meaning, and a sentence starts with the capital letter and usually it ends with a full stop. Now, we have 4 kinds of sentences, and the first one is assertive sentence, next interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and the last one is imperative sentence. First, we will discuss the assertive sentence. And children, do you know assertive sentence has 2 more names, and those are declarative sentence and statement. That means we could call assertive sentence as a declarative sentence also, and it could be replaced as statement also. We could name it like we want. So let's move ahead. What's an assertive sentence? Assertive sentence is very commonly used, children. Most of the 90% of the sentences that we use are assertive sentences, and they are used to declare something and to tell someone something. Fine? Whenever we want to tell or declare anything, we use assertive sentence, and the assertive sentence always ends with full stop. Let's discuss few examples. The first one, could you look what is in the sky? Yes, the sun. Now if I want to tell you something about the sun, I'll use assertive sentence. Let's find out which sentence I would like to share. The sun rises in the east. Now I am telling you that the sun, it rises in the east. So it starts with the capital letter and it's ending in full stop. That's why it's an assertive sentence, or you could call it a declarative sentence. Next, how is this car moving? Yes, it's moving slow. So if I want to declare this, I would use a sentence. The car is moving slowly. So it's ending with full stop. That's why it's a statement, or you could call it as an assertive sentence. Girl is crying. Assertive sentence. Let's move ahead to next type of sentence, and that's an interrogative sentence. It's not interrogative, it's interrogative sentence, and interrogative sentence is used to ask questions, and they always end in question mark. So, whenever you ask a question, always put a question mark in the end. And this means interrogative sentence is a sentence that is used to ask questions and it ends with a question mark. Let's discuss few examples of interrogative sentences. Do you want to know? Where are the keys? Asking questions about the keys. Will you go out with me? Do you like me? Why are you sad? Remember, whenever you ask a question, your tone always rises up. Okay? Where are the keys? My tone is rising. That means it has question mark in the end. So always remember to put question mark in the end while asking a question. Let's move to next kind of a sentence, imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is used to request something or to order something or to give advice to somebody. Fine? Whenever you request, you order or you advise, imperative sentence is used. And imperative sentences always ends with full stop. Assertive sentence and imperative sentence, both sentences end with full stop. Fine, let's discuss few examples of imperative sentences. Consult the doctor. Here I am giving advice that yes, you should consult the doctor. So that's why it's an imperative sentence. Open the window. I am ordering to open. Imperative sentence. Please give me your book. Here, a request is there. So that's why it's an imperative sentence. And did you notice one thing? Children, imperative sentences do not consist subject. Subject is always missing in such type of sentences. Fine? Let's move ahead. Next type of sentence are exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences are used to express a sudden feeling or emotion, and they always end with sign of exclamation. Sudden feelings, sudden emotions. For example, if you're very happy, hooray! If somebody is sleeping, shh, quiet. Oh my God! These are all your sudden feelings. Let's discuss few more examples, and remember, this is sign of exclamation. Never forget to put a sign of exclamation after an exclamatory sentence. First is, what a pretty dress. You are so happy to look at that dress, isn't it? What an idea. You are impressed with an idea, so it's your sudden feeling. Hooray, we won. And lastly, congratulations. All these are your sudden feelings. They are coming straight from your heart. So these are exclamatory sentences, and just notice the sign of exclamation in the end of each sentence. Let's recapitulate what we have just studied. Interrogative sentences are used to ask a question, and they have a question mark in the end. Declarative sentence is a sentence that makes a statement. It ends with a period. Period means full stop. We also call full stop period. Next, imperative sentence. Imperative sentences make a command, make a request, or an advice. They always end with full stop. And the last one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences show strong feelings. Always use a sign of exclamation, or also known as exclamation mark. That's all, children. Now you may leave. Bye-bye.